Number 17. Tumira 3, no good. Foul. Foul number 11. First personal foul, first team foul. Libre, tumira 3, no good. Bola ng Spirits. Tumira ng 3, no good. Tawa na number 17. No good pa rin. Tip from behind. Foul. Foul number 20. First personal foul, first team foul. Baligay 24. Bounce pass, no good. Bad pass. From number 8 to 99. Tumirang 3, no good. Quali number 17. Number 8. Sinas sa labas. Pasa kay Leo, nabitawan. Number 8, no good. Kuha ni number 17. Tumirang 3. Pasok. Siguro malaki wag yung 1-0 at 1. Pasay 89. Pass number 8. Number 8. Perimeter jumper. No good. Nothing but word. Ball na lang. Spirits. Bounce pass to number 33. Bad pass. Intercepted. Number 8. 33. Tumira ng 3. No good. No good pa rin. Number 11. Pass to 17. Libre-libre. No good. Quali 99. Tumirang 3. No good. Bola Spirits. Oras natin. 6 minutes and 50 seconds. First quarter. Mid pass. Jumper. No good. Quali number 11. 24. Libre. Number 2. Number 8. Bounce pass to number 9. Tumirang 3. No good. 33. Number 2. 24. Tumirang 3. No good. Quali number 11. Traveling violation. Change ball. Number 8, ginababa bola. Tumirang 3. No good. Ginababa bola. Pass to 24. Tumira ng 3. ng Pasig. Number 8. Foul. Who's foul left? Change 5. Maliban sa number 8. First personal, second team foul. Who's foul left? Sorry. Foul number 33. Pasok. Second attempt. Pasok. Change. Number 17. Pass to 24. 17. Bounce pass to 69. Intercepted by number 11. Intercepted by number 9. Lumapit, tumira, pasok, good for 2.
Notes mo to, 16. Kaya daw, 26.
Tumira ulit ng 3. Libre yun.
Basta lagay mo UNG 16.
Hindi ako kaya 24 niya. Bad pass. Ball on the Spirits. Number 11. Nice D by Bowie. Wanasu. Number 25, Tumira. No good. Rebound by number 8. T8, good for 2. 24. Wala pa ba ang ball? Pass to 69. Good for 2.
Tapong pa naman yun. Walang itira yan.
24. Good for 2. Lamang ng 3. Wanasu. Konting tulak. No good. Rebound by 33. Tuwani Ramram, Boy Canal, 88. Timeout Spirits. Score natin, 15-14 in favor of Spirits. Score check pa.
Yo. Sige nga.
Back to the ball game.
Hindi nga lang triple yan eh. Parang na-store mo lang sa tulog eh.
Pass to 33. Fade away. Easy 2 by 69. Yan lang nagpapawag kay Darwin. Bad pass.
Bawi.
Tumirang 3. No good. Kuhanin number 25. Intercepted. Traveling violation. Number 25. No good. Rebound by number 69. Alley-oop play. Foul. Who's foul rep? Foul number 3. Foul number 3. First personal, second team foul. Pasok. Unang tira. Second attempt. Pasok pa rin. 2 for 2.
Gana, abaw. Touchdown!
3 points by number 4. Traveling violation. 1 step too many. Number 4. Libre. Number 2. All 19. Last 10 seconds. 24. No good. 3 seconds. And a ball. First quarter. Ingat. Score natin, all 19. Number 8. 99. 10 to shoot. Number 2. 24. Pass to 86, bad pass. Foul ni 24. 12 to shoot. Schroeder. Foul. Who's foul rep? Foul number 8. First personal, first team foul. Pasok, unang tira. Suabe. Second attempt. Pasok pa rin. 2 for 2. Okay. No good. Nakuha ni 24. Easy 2. Back on the end. Foul. Who's foul red?
Happy birthday again.
Foul number 33.
Birthday lamaw. Are we going to...
Second personal, first team foul.
Oo. Kalamansi. Ayaw ko.
No good. Unang tira. Second attempt.
Ang ano, 23 na yun eh. Ganyan yung tsura. Ikaw. 20 pa lang.
Pasok.
Dede po na siya. Dede po. Dedress yan. 21 roses ako ah.
Pass to 33. 33. 24. 26. Floater. No good. Ako na 88. 88. Mamadali. Good steal by 24. Good pass. Number 8 to number 99. for 2.
Parang chug mura na ngayon, no? Yamoram.
Sumiran 3. 233. No good.
Pag kinaldag ka naman yan.
88. 299. Good for 2. Score natin, 26-25, favor of undrafted. Intercepted by Naitana. Easy 2.
Wow, lupit niya na. Ngayon na nagaro yan, Dave.
Inatras. Good for 3.
Kinikilig to. Kinikilig, gago.
Score natin, all 28. In favor of community. Bounce pass, number 9. Number 8, Essie. Ganda ng takip sa likod. Bola. 17, easy 2. Time out, undrafted.
Wala na ang UND. May iba si Canis.
Number 8. Tumira ng 3. Pasok. Teleport. Sagutan na naman ang star player. 17. Libre. No good. One number 99. Foul. Who's fouled it? Foul number 24. First person up. Second team foul.
Kita-kita sa video ito ba?
Pasok.
Padi-A man, padi-A yan. Papang pala di pala yung sakay sa mga. Sexy.
Pasok ulit. 2-14. Libre. Tumira 3. No good. Kuhani number. Foul. Foul number 99. First personal, second team foul.
Dapat prutas dalan yun ah. Hindi chichar.
24. Spin move. Foul. Foul sa baba.
Nabigyan.
Foul number 88. First personal, 13 foul. Intercepted. Bola pa rin nila. 24. One number 8. 88 drive. It's Easy 2 by number 17. Number 11. Foul number 20. Second personal, 14 foul. No good. Okay. Number 8. Tumira ng 3. Pasok. Case 5.
Condition eh, no? Condition.
24. Bounce pass to number 11. 69. Pinaras. Boy Tagay. Easy to, by Boy Tagay.
Nice one, baby family ko.
24. Tumira ng 3. No good. 22.
Barako din si Boy Barako. Lagi nakakampi.
Balikan number 4. Nabitawan. 10 to shoot. 22. Tumira ng 3. No good. 125. Tumira. No good. Number 9. Number 4. Libre-libre.
Bang! Ay, naki-committee pala ako ngayon.
Traveling violation. Please pass. Number 3. Pass to gitna. Number 3. Libre. No good. 20, number 17. 17. Pass to 24. Balik kay 17. Foul. Foul number 25. First personal penalty. Pasok. Unang tira. Second attempt.
Anong tayaw?
2 for 2.
Anong tayaw?
Number 22. 2 for 2.
Makabawi yan.
24. Pass to 11, pass to 69. Cut. Easy 2. Balik kay 22. Tumira ng 3. No good. Foul number 17. 24. Easy 2 by number 24. Pass ang gilid. Binalik si number 3. Nilabas. Tumira ng 3. Pasok. 2 for 3. Lamang ng 10 ang jacket. Tumira ng 3. 2 for 3. Number 22. Pass to number 4, balik 22. To number 3, tumira ng 3. Pasok. Libre-libre. No good. Nakuha ni number 3. Wala to. To Perez. Long 2. No good. One down. Block from behind. Block by 69. Steal by number 22. Intercept. No good. Pasok. 3 points.
Check ka.
Oras natin, 55 seconds. Hindi tira sa second quarter. 3 points ba? Sorry. Score correction, 54 pala. 3 points pala yung last tira. Tira. 52. Last 30 seconds. 20 seconds shot clock. Tumira ng 3. No good. 20 Bawi. 15. Pinasa sa labas. Perez, tumira ng 3. Airball. Good for 2. 5 seconds. Pass by Tay. Counted. Counted. Score natin, 55-43 in favor of undrafted. $58 pala. Tumira, no good. One number 8.
SG.
Easy 2. Open substitution na tayo ngayon for third quarter. 70. 26. No good. Rebound move. Bola ng Spirits. Bola ng undrafted. Bounce pass. Ilabas ulit. 15 to shoot. Tumira ng 3. Pasok.
Halata ka yan. Kasi ka to, yung mga blue. Dito, dami. Lang.
Tumira ng 3. No good. Kuha ni number 9. 99, he check. No good. Number 8, number 2. Number 17, bounce pass. Tumira, no good. Rebound by 69. Easy 2. Number 8. Pass to 88. 88, cross pass to 99. Balik kay 88. Number 2. Easy 2. Number 8, binababa mo. Pass to 99. Balik kay 8. To 88. 88, layup. No good. Hindi tumama ng ring, ha? 7 to shoot. For 3, no good. Bola Spirits. 24. Pass to 17. Tumira ng 3. No good. Nangalan to 17. 99. Tumira ng 3. No good. Quality number 8. No good ulit. Rebound by 69. Easy 2.
Bawal mag-cheer. Watch lang.
Okay. Pass to Leo. Wala. Hesitate sa sarili. Tumira. No good. 2024. Easy 2. 15 na lang lamang. Dead ball lang ito. Sweet pass, intercepted. Libre, 88. No good. 286. Behind the back. Foul.
Nice din eh.
China. Baller Spirits.
Tubig ko.
Tubig, bili na kayo.
Tumira 3. Pasok. Number 22 to number 88. Stop and pop. Pass sa gitna. Intercepted. 17. Easy 2 by number 17. 10 na naman.
Leche plan, mas nagdadala ng bola.
Easy 2. Oh.
Ano tawag ng technical to? Yun eh, delaying game.
24. Tumira. No good. Rebound by number 9. 99. Pass to 88. Easy 2. Good for 2. By 86. Score natin, 17-58 in favor of undrafted. 12 lang ang lamang. Tumira 3, good for 3.
Sab ka, bay?
17. Tumira 3. No good. Rebound by 99. Easy lang daw. Pass to Dom. Tumira 3. No good. Rebound by 86. So 70. 17. Good for 2. Good block from behind. 169. 33. Foul. Sana Spears. Pasok. Second attempt.
You play ba ng home court?
99. Sa gitna. Daming hesitate. Finger roll to lower. No good. Behind the back. Steal by number 22. Foul. Who's foul net? Foul number 33. First personal, first team foul. Third personal, sorry. Third personal, first team foul. Sub, pag na-shoot. No good.
Hindi doon ka bumili, sira ulo ka pala eh. Sira ulo pala to eh. Re-reklamo.
Substitution.
Nakapuno dyan ah. Reklamo ka, di ka pakabayan. Salamat po.
17. Bounce pass 69. Good for 2. Sa labing isa na lang lamang. Pass to 22. No good. Rebound by 25. No good ulit. 2069. 24. Drives. Foul. Who's foul net? 88. Second personal, 13 foul. Pasok. Unang tira.
Chug moral, ganun din. May nagtatanong sa akin, lalaro na si Chog.
Pasok.
Kung lalaro daw dito.
2 for 2.
Bakit tayo iniisip nila si ano? Player neto.
Siyam na lang ang lamang. Number 88. Binato. Nakuha ulit ni number 88. Block by number 69.
Huli si Coach daw.
11 to shoot. Intercepted. Number 3. Number 2.
Hindi pala pwede mag-cheer.
24. Tumira 3. No good. Rebound by number 3. Traveling violation. Oras natin. Last 1 minute and 20 seconds. Third quarter. 17. Libre-libre. Tumira 3. Pasok. Dagan 3. Walang kakaba-kaba.
Saan yung princess mo?
Wala. 88. May school ako. 22. Tumira 3. 3 for 3. Easy 2. Okay. Palazzo. Good for 2.
Nice bow! Hirap. Hirap ano, pagkaano.
Number 70. Tumira 3. Bang. 10 to shoot. Steal. 5 to shoot. No good. And Tumira 3. No good. Quality number 17. 24. No good. Bounce pass to number 9. Balik kay 22. Good for 2. Balik sa 10 ang lamang. Uy. Foul. Counter press sa foul. Foul number 9. First personal, first team foul. Number 9. Lupit doon. Pasok pa rin.
Dito, madami yung kilala.
Pasa kay number 3, Wanatsu. Tumira. No good. Nakuha ni number 11. Dalawa sila. 33. 22. Score natin, 83-78. Lima na lang. Diaz. Pass to Ferrer. No good. Quality number 17. 24. Nakuha ni 23. Reverse. Good for 2. Sana.
Uy, yung kamay mo.
22. Pass to number 9. 22. Tumira 3. Pasok.
Nasa masik pa yan, masik DJ.
Huwag na kayo.
15 to shoot. 17. Libre-libre. Foul. Who's foul rep? Foul number 11. Second personal, first team foul.
Hindi, dito ko sa sub. Mas potentials mo noon.
No good. First attempt. Second free throw. Pasok. Balik sa pito.
Pare, tatlo lang tumitira.
33. No good. 99. 22. Tumira 3. Pasok. Balik sa 10 ang kalamangan.
Tama na, Jay! Kabila!
24. Foul.
Jamuran pa rin.
Foul number 9. Substitution. First personal, second team foul.
Boston din namin eh, boss.
Sa baba ng foul.
Sige.
Tumira 3. No good. 22. No good. Nako, number 9. No good. 69. 52. Warning for delaying the game. Running time tayo reminder. Pasal natin. Foul number 11. Third personal, second team foul.
Bili ng tayo.
O tubig. May tubig dito sa gilid.
Malamig.
Pasok, walang tira.
Silog ko.
Second attempt.
Wala ako dito.
No good. 20-33. Tumira ng 3. No good. Foul. Foul number 9. Second personal, third team foul.
Ubus lang ng gigas ko. Sina Ed.
Ito, picturean ko.
Hihikyaran ako. Figurista gago.
No good. Second attempt.
Sigasabi mo.
Iainom ka na?
Si Pereira, sigasabi mo.
Pasok.
Tayo na mag-aamay.
Talaga.
Wala ka yan? Wala ka lang yan.
13 to shoot. Wanatsu. Good for 2. Score natin. 93-83 in favor of undrafted. 69 to 17. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. No good. Nakuha ni 99. To 22. Tumira ng 3. No good. Kuha ni number 9. No good pa rin. Kuha ni number 8. Tumira ng 3. No good pa rin. Foul. Who's foul, Red?
I stay!
Foul number 24. Second personal, 13 foul.
Pasok ka. Huwag sabi.
Pasok.
Sa timeout game, sabay uwi na.
Ira.
Okay, Yara.
Second attempt. 2 for 2. Foul. Who's foul, Ref? Foul number 9. Third personal, 14 foul.
Sila Jerry lang.
Pasok, unang tira. Number 11. Second attempt.
Avery lang ako. Embrace siya kami lang.
Pasok, 2 for 2. Tumira ng 3. No good. Kuha ni number 17. 24. No good. Pagod na si 24. Diaz. EC2. Sana tumirang 3. Yan na. So, nagsisimula na si number 17. Kaninong technical ref? (33) technical. Meron ng warning din dito. Palagyan ako sa tapat ng number. Galing dead ball. Score natin 88-98. Number 3 to 22. Bounce pass to 25, bad pass. One number 17. Lumipad. EC2. Baba sa 8 kalamangan. Tumira ng 3. No good. Number 2. Binalik. Tumirang 3. No good ulit. Rebound by number 25. Tumirang 3. Count 22. Si Chill. Foul. Counted plus a foul. Foul number 8. Counted and counted. Third personal penalty. Penalty na ang drafted. No good. Set to shoot. No good. Number 8, cross pass to 22. Foul. Who's fouled that? Substitution. Technical, number 69. Technical, number 24. Double technical.
Technical number 69, technical number 20. 84, saka number 69.
Unang tira. Pasok.
Sorry.
Kaninong bola? Free throw. Pasok. Last throw. Lumubo bigla yung lamang. Pasok. Ilan time out ng run to? Balik yung 17. 17. No good. 200 number 8. No good. 24. Counted. That's a foul. Who's fouled? Foul number 3. Second personal penalty. Sana undrafted.
Sige na bubayit eh. Nasakit ng ulo sa inyo eh.
Plus 1.
Naantay ko yung king of the court. Si Bayahay.
No good.
Watch me play.
88. Last 2 minutes sa ating fourth quarter. Tumira ng 3. No good. Bola lang. Called drafted. Tumira ng 3. No good. Press. Foul. Foul number 33. First personal penalty. No good. Kapagod na sa fourth. No good ulit. Last and final attempt. Pasok. Number 88. Ginababa ball. Pass to 25. Balik kay 33 to 25. Step back pa. 3 points. No good. Kuhani. Ball and Spirits.
Nice shot.
Too strong. Okay. 55 seconds. Bounce pass. Kiki. No good pa rin. Foul, number 20. Third personal penalty. Penalty.
Bakang player nung ano ah. Paano niya yan ah. Lalaro ng Scout Shots.
Pasok. Pass number 4, tumirang 3. No good. Rebound by 86. Tumirang 3. Pasok. Foul. Foul number 33. Fourth personal foul penalty. Sablay, unang tira. 70. Tumira sa 3. No good. Rebound by 25.